on day 2. We're gonna have an early morning ride. The weather is looking like it's going to rain. Man, I had a really good time. This was an ultimate Lake Powell adventure experience. And this couldn't have been done without Up Lake Adventures. Everything that was on there is now going on the Seadoo's. Bye, campsite. So we are at Pothole Arch, also known as Toilet Bowl. It's right here, right there. Let's go check it out. It's 90 feet right now. And when it rains, I bet you it's a nice waterfall. Wow, so pretty. Wow, wasn't that pretty? It's amazing what the earth can produce. It's just so beautiful out here. I think I want to live out here. All right, now we're gonna go off to go and see what Ricky is talking about. There's a rope swing, but I'm not getting in the water right now. They said there's a rope swing about 15 feet high, right underneath this other area that looks like it's forming an arch also. That's pretty cool. Bob, it's your turn. All right, so that's a cool, fun spot. Now we're gonna head to the floating restroom to see if anybody needs to use the restroom, and then we're gonna try to look for some boils. I think I'm hooked on catching fish. I think I got the fever. All right, go. So while everybody goes to the restroom, why not throw a line out? I'm telling you, I think I caught the bug. And I gotta go check out Castaway rods. I heard they're in Houston.
Fish in these little pockets for a few minutes. See if we can catch some smallmouth maybe. Just cut them along here.
All right.
Yesterday.
Perfect. Let's see what we got in the Seadoo Link cooler for day 2. Snacks. More water, some naked juice. What is this one? Ooh, tropical guava. I gotta still finish my blue machine, and there's plenty of ice still in here, so that's good. And let's check this box out. I need to get some of these boxes. I like it. more fruit, a Nutter Butter, some cheese. What else is in here? Snickers, a Kind Bar, Pop-Tarts, Nature Bakery Fig Bar, a Lara Bar, and Nature Valley. What's back here? Ooh, breakfast pastries. I think I might eat that right now. And some fruit. Yummy. That's something out. So I found a new spot and I kept on hearing a bird, but it turns out it's not just some regular bird. It was a vulture. So wherever there's vultures, you know what that means. Something must be dead around there. So I started looking around while I was fishing and I saw it. Oh, look, look. They said there wasn't. There's a baby one right there. I say it was a baby, but it wasn't a baby. And I grabbed my phone because I want to zoom in to see it closer. Oh, that's not a baby. Yep, it's a full-grown coyote eating a dead carcass. Well, fighting with a vulture to get the carcass. I caught one over here. There's a couple over here.
Did you catch one?
It's a pretty good size too, and there's several I think over here because I keep on getting them nibbling. Oh. So now we're on our way to Antelope Marina to have some lunch, some pizza. Alright, so we're going to this antelope floating restaurant. Look at it. Oh, Antelope Point Marina. We're right here. What do they got to eat? It's good. Food was delicious. Now we're on our way to the dam. He's gonna show us over there. I heard there's a lot of fish that you can get from there, and they just keep on going, and they just eat up all the anchovies when you use it as bait. And you can catch really good striper there, but it's not the season for it right now. Security zone. route that they want us to do.
So this is the Glen Canyon Dam. So it makes it all possible. So this barrier right here was not installed until after 9/11. Before 9/11, you could go up and touch the dam with your hand.
Wow, that's crazy. Oh yeah. Just to say I cast it over here. Look at that houseboat. Wow, that's a pretty houseboat. And we're done. It's over. Oh my gosh. All right, so we're about to pull up to State Line Boat Launch, and it's coming to an end. All this, I gotta say bye to. This has been an amazing trip. This was another check off my bucket list of things that I had to see and step out my comfort zone and don't go and do the normal stuff. You can take your PWC off your normal lake and get out there. Go out and explore. And also, if you haven't seen the other episodes of this series, go ahead, click the link right above here and it'll take you to the other episodes. All right, guys, so sadly, it's coming to an end. It's done, basically. And I have to say bye to all of this beauty. And we got to say bye to Bob, too.
Hey, great time. Thanks so much for making the trip out.
No, it's an awesome trip, and you guys definitely have to check him out. Like I said, the details will be down in the video description. This is the guy that you want to go on a tour with, especially if you come to Lake Powell. At least if you've never been here before, you have to go on one tour with him. And so he can show you the ropes and show you all the beautiful canyons and the slots.
It was awesome.
Well, thank you very much.
We'll see you soon.
Hopefully, I'll see you soon. And thank you, Chrissy. You're welcome. He's like, too shy.
All right.
All right.